Kalian yang bedeng kelam kebal hedu hari lum jantia kebala pelong na ka sendra na jantia hills kebala penkot no hakasnong tuber mai chnong manha ka sngi ningkong katayo. Kani kalian yang ni ka festival la saki ya ka pedang ka jing ipu ipieng hadien ka jingno ya ki nrupsan tali ki rat hapo ka biar ni ka etnar kabadon hakate ka snong. Ya ki ni baro ki rat lawanra ni ki seng nyamtre ki badan hapo ka jingpet jong ka sendra kibana ki apun rutli ki chnong makentup ya ka chnong kli tersi madur mupuot jalapet mi mentudu subang muswang kliriat bat kiwe ya kini kirot awanra hakate ka jaka ringkat ka jingkan hoi jing risa haringkat ka ksing ka nakra ka syat ka kemen nadu ki kena hadu ki belasan man penpoy ya kirot syaka biar hakane ka singikot jongani ka lenyam la saki de ki pau hajar ngut ki pajba nalor ki kenrem ki lendan makentup yo lat ka jela uvishan mu ganathan bolong kum kongsan haringkat ka jinga don lang uba hopeful bamon MLA ka sutunga ba Justin Dakhar CM barem ka JHADC ka kong Matsudor war director ka tanat arts and culture ki DC SP bat kiwi hakani ka singikut ulingdo niam ringkat mat ki longsan ka senra kila pendap ya kale niam taka ngo kadam ya ublay nong bu nong thao bu sumar bat yadai ka raj barok kawai kabal tepkum ka kenya ringkau mat ka shot tandayung haman ki yang kisam.
Now a Kumbh Mela is going on in southern part of India on the banks of Godavari river. The chief minister himself has taken bath in Godavari. The function is called Godavari Kumbh Mela, Godavari Pushkar Utsav. There also people have a faith that if they take a bath in Godavari, they will not have the problem of any physical illness, any physical problem. So if they take a holy dip, they will have a healthy life. In the same way, on the river Pamba in Kerala, lakhs of people, crores of people are going and worshipping Lord Ayyappa. Lord Ayyappa worship is done in the southernmost part of India. In Ayyappa, in Kerala, crores of people are coming and they are worshipping. So the collective worshipping pattern is common in Meghalaya, in Allahabad, in Godavari, in Ayyappa, in Kerala.